alert, isn't it?
Did you know you grab some lemon, squeeze about 2 tablespoons of the juice into a saucepan, save the seed, grow a lemon tree, then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of honey, then grab some ginger, and grate about 2 tablespoons through the smallest holes. Add it in a pan, bring it to boil, and once it starts to bubble, take it off the heat. Whisk it around until the bubbles go away. Then put it back on the heat. Repeat the process 4 to 5 times until the mixture darkens and the moisture has evaporated. Meanwhile, grab a pan and line it up with some parchment paper. And when your mixture is done, use a small spoon to make small drops. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. Let the drops cool off for about 5 minutes. And then boom! Homemade cough drop.